Okay, here's the thing. Look at it right there. It says final opportunity. This house right there is a closeout. I'm gonna try and walk it backwards up the hill. Closeout home for a wonderful builder in a great neighborhood. And listen, I've got a bajillion foot tall fireplace. Oh, it's not bajillion, I don't know. It's beautiful. This house is ready for you. They need somebody to buy it. They need to make a deal on it. It's got a 3-car garage. And here's the thing, when builders have houses like this that are left over, because we have such great relationships with builders, they call and they say, hey, help us get it sold, because we sell a lot of new construction. We haven't met before. My name is Zach. My team and I, we sell new construction real estate here in DFW. And today I get to show you this beautiful home. You're gonna love it. And then of course, at the end, because I don't like to gatekeep, I will tell you the price. So go enjoy the home and we'll go from there. Come on. I'd be crazy if I didn't tell you about that. It's a really nice touch. It's a cathedral, coffered ceiling here in your study. You've got 8-foot doors all throughout. Check out the flooring. Windsor builds a solid quality home. Let's go. Oh, we got a bedroom down here. We gotta hit that. One of the best things about these homes, oh, door's locked, my bad. All right, outside fireplace, outside, but you've got no back neighbors. It's a giant hill. There's no way. You're not building anything on that. There's no street or nothing. So like I said, neighborhood's on closeout, no back neighbors. Beautiful backyard. There's plenty of space back here for activities. Oh crap, it's bright. Oh, let's go back inside. All right, look at the fireplace. Got it carrying all the way to the ceiling. I feel like if you're going to have these massive ceilings like what you have in here, you have to do that. Like there's no other way than to do that. All right, we've talked enough about the fireplace. Let's go check out the primary bathroom, bedroom, and secret hiding storage closet. And then we'll go upstairs and we got more details. So come on. First thing I want to show you in this closet that I think is a brilliant idea, and if you're building and you have high enough ceilings, you should ask your builder to include this. So you've got 1, 2, third, wait, get up there, there it is. Third shelving rack. Think like, you know, clothes that your wife only wears one time, or, you know, jackets, I don't know, whatever. Off-season rack, it's the way to go. But now I've got to, let's go scrunch it down in here into the secret part of the closet. You got a whole little room back here. I can't tell you what I would use this space for because it would probably get me kicked off YouTube, but let's just call it, we'll call it home protection. Oh yeah, that rhymes, that works. Home protection space in the closet for a rather large home protection, if you get what I'm saying. Shower, tub, so you can hang out and have a party. Before we go upstairs, one of the things I'll tell you, Windsor for me is one of those builders I didn't know much about up until recently, and have some clients building with them. I've looked at a lot of their inventory stuff, and I'll tell you, they build a really, really good home. Like standard features wise, you're not gonna miss. The other thing that's really cool about them is they are about as custom as you can get from a production builder standpoint. So they're willing, so obviously not this house, because this house is done and ready for you to move into and live in. But if you decided you wanted to build with them, they do custom changes. So like moving walls, changing floor plans, reconfiguring things. Now, of course, you are gonna pay to have those things done, and it is not cheap. There's a change fee, there's some processes that go with that, but they're willing to do it. So if you have a little bit more of a budget and you're looking for a home builder that you're like, hey, I like about 90% of this plan, but we wanna make a few changes, we wanna extend a wall, we wanna add some space to our bedroom, Windsor would be one that I would consider. So let's run upstairs. I've got a game room, media room, and I think I've 2 more bedrooms to show you. So vamonos. All right, we've made it to the top of the stairs. We've got our game room and then our media room. Oh, my camera guy didn't turn the lights on. He's fired. By the way, I'm the camera guy. I'm the problem. It's okay. All right, media room. So come hang out up here, pre-wired. Got the surround sound, ready to rock. Doors you can close so your family doesn't hear you cry on Sundays while we watch the Cowboys continue to suck. But nonetheless, we still have cool spaces up here. At this price point, you kind of expect good sized secondary bedrooms. And again, at almost 3,800 square feet, you definitely get that. So bedroom, bathroom, homework space, bedroom, bathroom with kind of guest access. So this house could give you everything you want. With it being the, turn the lights out, go back and hit the thing so we can take a walk out the door. Anyway, last house here in Breezy Hill from Windsor, which means you're gonna get a really, really good deal. North side of Rockwall, we are 5 minutes away from the brand new freshman center that they just built. All the cool things that are going on in Rockwall. This house could be yours today, tomorrow. You could host Christmas here inside your castle turret. We'll shut the door. Like I said, 3-car garage. Currently listed, kept it till the end of the video. I guess I can tell you now. Currently listed under $850, $849, $999. Why we do that, I don't know. Maybe it makes you feel better. But if I can get you into this house, or I can get you connected with Windsor to build your own house, we would love to do that. If you'd like to see more Windsor products and hear about their newest neighborhood right up the road with big, beautiful lots, check out this video right here.